we're sure that if Eric feels like it's okay and he's all right, we might see him roll the car down and refire it. As always, the track is closed to any team. This should be a fairly short situation. Kevin Chambers, two-time mini sprint champ, just simply let the back end get away from him coming out of turn 4. And Sean was nowhere left to go. Made contact. And I guess I'm incorrect. Maybe some damage on that left front that I could not see from here as Eric climbs out to the top of car number 21. Well, we spoke of our July 24th show on several occasions. Amsoil National Sprint Car Show, and checking things out last night in Toledo. On the pavement, Henry